In this video, I'll show you how to set up a new Google account on your Android device. Open Settings on your Android phone, scroll down and tap Users and Accounts, or Accounts. If you can't find it, use Settings Search and type Accounts. Tap Add Account.
Select Google. At the bottom of the screen, tap Create Account, then choose For Myself. Enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Provide your birth date and gender, then tap Next. Choose your Gmail username, your new email address. When creating a username, you can use letters, numbers, and periods. This is the name that appears before the @gmail.com section of the address. This email address must be unique. If the username you want is already taken, you can try adding numbers or periods, and tap Next. Create a strong password to secure your account, then tap Next. Choose a strong password you'll remember, aiming for something that's at least 8 to 12 characters long. Add numbers and symbols to make it harder to guess. Make sure it's easy to remember, or write it down and store it in a safe place. After entering your password, tap Next. If Google asks for a phone number, then you'll need to do this to verify your account. Enter your number and tap Next. You'll get a verification code on your phone. Check your text messages for a verification code. Copy and paste or type in the numbers. If you're satisfied with your name and email address, tap Next. Read Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, then tap I agree. That's it.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.